In less than 2 weeks, we hit the road again for our next caravan adventure. But before we leave, there's one job we have to do first: sort everything inside this van.
Good morning, it's Christine here from Bucket List Adventures, and we are getting ready for our big trip away. But the first thing we've got to do is sort out our caravan and what goes and what stays. So today is going to be a bit of a sorting out day. First thing is we have a battery up here that is chirping. Good timing. So we'll have to change that. We're going to get everything out of all the cupboards and all the drawers, and we're going to go and put the mat out and put everything outside and work out what we need and what we don't need, what is important and what's not. So there are a few things, because we've travelled quite a few thousand Ks now, with a few things that we know that aren't necessary, but we've still got them in the van. So let's have a look around and let's work out what we need and what we don't. We've left the van all set up, ready to go. We've cleaned up after our last little holiday. There's not much left to do now, so to clean, just a bit of a dust over. Everything's empty and everything's okay in there. So yeah, let's just go through what we need.
I began outside the van by pulling out the awning and laying down the floor mat, so we had a space to sort out everything. And then we started opening up all the hatches and drawers, going through the outdoor storage areas to tidy things up and cut down on anything we didn't really need.
Anyone else have this first world problem? Hard to undo things. Ooh, this is a messy one. But that's pretty tidy. need that. We've got a whole set here of spanners, and we've got a shifting spanner. So what do we want to keep?
We managed to tidy things up and declutter, taking out a number of things we realised we didn't really need to carry around.
Okay, oh, there's that big.
And while we were going through everything, we also took the chance to do a bit of maintenance, adding silicone spray to some of the hinges and stiff moving parts, and we even got the grease gun out to lubricate a few spots on the Caravan that needed attention.
Well, we've got a little bit of sorting out done, and around here we've taken out quite a bit of stuff and added a couple of things, but it's a whole lot neater in there. So that was a good little exercise to do. Always pays to take out stuff you don't need so you don't have extra weight. And now it's time to get inside and see what I can do in here. Right. So up in these cupboards, beach towels, spare sheets and a blanket. Games. All empty. And all empty. And I'd say the same over this side. Is all empty and all empty. So now we've really just gone through all of this. And I feel like we sort of need everything that's in there. It's not plastic, it's enamel. Oh, that can come inside the house. And I think enamel's a bit heavy, but anyway, that's a waste of a space, but can't do much about that. Up here is all the food storage, which a lot of it is empty. Got a couple of things in there, but I have to go grocery shopping and top that up. Microwave ready to roll. Up here, a cupboard. Can't really take anything out of that. Up here, let's just see what happens. Yeah, unfortunately that is my spice cupboard and it's a bit messy. Let's see what is down here. Okay, we could probably have a look in there and see what we do and don't need. in here. Oopsie, need more paper roll, swear tissues and stuff, paper towels, scrubbers. That can stay. And I think I might have to get out all the bits in here because I don't know that I need all of that. Let's just see what I have.
Unfortunately, I filmed this part on the wrong setting, so I'm adding a voiceover. I went through the utensils, the drawers and the underbench storage with the saucepans and a few appliances, giving everything a tidy up and removing a few things so the space is ready to stock up with food for the trip. Sorry about all this, guys. After working out how to assemble the grease gun, we started greasing all the key points on the Caravan, beginning at the hitch and moving along to the suspension underneath and finishing with the stabiliser legs. I was the lucky one who got the job underneath the van. Apparently I'm a bit more agile than John and quite happy to take on the role of chief grease applier.
No, you're on the better angle now. We've lost our caps here, you can see. Down at Gibbo's workshop, they're looking for a new apprentice. Behind me and give me the thumbs up, dog.
So now that everything's back in place, all that's left now to do is to pack our clothes and fill the fridge and cupboards with food. We've also got to give the Caravan a good wash and finalise our bookings, and then we'll be ready to hit the road. So now with the Caravan sorted and almost ready to go, the adventure is getting very close. If you've enjoyed this episode, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It helps our channel more than you might realise. And don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with us as we take our caravanning across to the east side of Australia. If you'd like to help fuel the next adventure, you'll see a QR code on the screen where you can make a small donation, because every little bit helps keep the wheels turning. And a big thank you to those of you who leave comments and get in touch. We love hearing from you, and we always do our best to reply and answer to any questions you might have. Thanks for travelling along with us, and we'll see you in our next adventure.